Hey friends, if you wish to enable Ed's immersive reader mode for distraction-free reading, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Let's say I am at this article, okay? Now there are a lot of distractions on this article. I have advertisements, I have these icons, I have the logo, I have other tabs. I will simply press F9 and this will start the immersive reader mode, and in this immersive reader mode I will be able to read without any distractions. Okay, and to exit it I can press on this option once again. So this is how I can switch the immersive reader mode on and off on Edge. And alternatively we can also use this option, these three dots here, and select it, but I prefer the shortcut for obvious reasons. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.